Right. So this week we're going to talk about section 9.2, which first starts off with the distance formula. So basically, if I'm looking at two different points, I want to find the straight distance between them. So one strategy is to use what we learned in 9.1 with the right triangle. So we know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And C is what we're looking for with that distance. So if I want to find this side for A, I need to find the difference in the x values. So like whatever x this is, like 7, minus whatever x that value is, which is -1. But I want to keep this general. So I'm going to do A is x1 minus x2. And that's the length for A. And then B is the height of the triangle, so I need to subtract the y values. So I'm going to take y1 minus y2. And our hypotenuse is C. So we can set up the Pythagorean theorem with the general formula. So now if I want to get C alone, we're going to take the square root of this side, and you have to take the square root of the whole thing. You're not allowed to do them separately when they're being added together. So C is really the whole square root of the difference of the x's, and make sure you're going in the same order, and the difference of the y's squared. And that's the distance formula. So if you don't want to memorize that big long formula, you can print out graph paper, plot the 2 points, and make a right triangle and use the Pythagorean theorem.